The world is a mirror, reflecting your beliefs. Neville Goddard. This video holds the key to transforming your reality. By understanding the power of your assumptions, you can create the life you desire. What if changing your mindset could lead to incredible opportunities and success? Let's look into how you can harness this principle to win big in your life. The law of assumption revolves around the idea that your assumptions shape your reality. What you believe to be true, consciously or unconsciously, manifests in your life. If you consistently assume success and abundance, you'll attract those experiences. This principle emphasizes that you are the creator of your circumstances. To put it simply, your thoughts are powerful tools. They influence your emotions and actions, which in turn shape your reality. By shifting your mindset and accepting positive assumptions, you open the door to new possibilities. Imagine waking up every day with a mindset geared toward success. It sets a powerful tone for what's to come. A crucial aspect of this law is awareness. Understanding what you are currently assuming about your life is the first step to change. Take a moment to reflect. Are your assumptions rooted in positivity or negativity? Recognizing these patterns allows you to consciously replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Visualization is an essential practice when applying the law of assumption. By vividly imagining your desired outcomes, you create a mental blueprint for success. This act not only makes your goals feel more achievable but also aligns your subconscious mind with your aspirations. The more real you make it in your mind, the more likely it is to manifest in your reality. Affirmations play a vital role as well. Repeating positive statements about yourself and your goals reinforces your new assumptions. It's about speaking life into your desires. Consistency in affirmations builds a strong belief system that propels you toward your dreams. Over time, these affirmations become part of your identity. Moreover, your emotional state directly affects your manifestations. Feeling good about your assumptions attracts positive experiences. When you align your emotions with your desired outcomes, you create a magnetic energy that pulls those experiences toward you. Cultivating feelings of joy, gratitude, and confidence enhances the effectiveness of your assumptions. Another key principle is persistence. Change doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication and commitment to your new way of thinking. By consistently reinforcing your assumptions, you train your mind to accept them as truth. This persistence is crucial for overcoming doubts and fears that may arise along the way. Surrounding yourself with positivity is also essential. Engage with people, content, and environments that uplift you. The energy around you can influence your assumptions and beliefs. Creating a supportive atmosphere fosters growth and encourages you to maintain a positive mindset. Taking action aligned with your assumptions is a necessary step. While thoughts and beliefs are powerful, they must be accompanied by action. When you assume success, take steps that reflect that belief. This demonstrates faith in your assumptions and paves the way for opportunities to arise. Practice gratitude for what you already have while envisioning what you desire. Gratitude shifts your focus from lack to abundance. It creates a positive feedback loop that reinforces your assumptions. The more you appreciate your current circumstances, the more you attract similar experiences. The law of assumption is a dynamic tool for manifesting your desires. By understanding the impact of your thoughts, emotions, and actions, you can create a life filled with abundance and success. It's all about reshaping your beliefs to align with your aspirations. Your beliefs are the foundation of your reality. They shape how you view yourself and the world around you. When you believe in your worthiness of success, you naturally attract opportunities that align with that belief. Conversely, limiting beliefs can hold you back from achieving your full potential. Identifying and challenging your limiting beliefs is crucial. What thoughts are preventing you from pursuing your goals? Once you pinpoint these beliefs, you can consciously replace them with positive affirmations. This process requires patience and practice but is vital for your personal growth. The stories you tell yourself matter. If you see yourself as capable and deserving, you'll begin to embody those qualities. This shift not only enhances your confidence but also influences how others perceive you. Your external world begins to mirror your internal beliefs. Beliefs are not static, they can evolve. As you grow and learn, your beliefs can shift in a positive direction. Accept this evolution and remain open to new perspectives. This flexibility allows for greater adaptability and resilience as you navigate life's challenges. Your beliefs can either empower or limit you. Choosing to adopt beliefs that support your goals is a revolutionary step. When you accept empowering beliefs, you create a strong foundation for successful manifestation. Visualization is a powerful technique that helps you manifest your desires. By creating a vivid mental image of your goals, you engage your mind in the manifestation process. This technique aligns your thoughts and emotions with your aspirations, making them feel more attainable. Start by finding a quiet space where you can focus. Close your eyes and picture your desired outcome in detail. What does it look like? How does it feel? Engaging your senses enhances the effectiveness of your visualization. The more real it feels, the more your subconscious mind begins to accept it. Incorporating emotion into your visualization is crucial. Imagine the joy and excitement of achieving your goals. Feel those emotions in your body. This emotional connection reinforces your assumptions and sends a strong message to your subconscious. Practice visualization regularly. Set aside time each day to immerse yourself in your desired outcomes. Consistency helps train your mind to align with your goals. Over time, these visualizations become part of your reality, guiding your actions toward success. Don't underestimate the power of belief in visualization. Trust that what you are visualizing is not just possible but inevitable. This unwavering belief fuels your manifestations and enhances your journey toward achieving your dreams. Affirmations are statements that reinforce positive beliefs and empower you. They serve as reminders of your worth and potential. By incorporating affirmations into your daily routine, you gradually shift your mindset to align with your goals. Choose affirmations that resonate with you personally. Whether it's about success, love, or abundance, make sure they reflect your desires. Repeat these affirmations daily, ideally in front of a mirror, to strengthen your connection to them. Over time, they become ingrained in your belief system. Affirmations work best when combined with emotion. Feel the truth of the statements as you say them. This emotional connection amplifies their impact and brings your desired reality closer to fruition. Doubts and fears are natural when pursuing your dreams. They can derail your progress if left unchecked. Recognizing these feelings is the first step in overcoming them. Acknowledge your fears without judgment, and remind yourself that they don't define your reality. Challenging your doubts is essential. When a fear arises, ask yourself, is this thought serving me? Often, you'll find that fears are based on outdated beliefs. Replace these negative thoughts with positive affirmations and evidence of your capabilities. Building resilience is key to navigating doubts. Practice self-compassion and remind yourself of past successes. Focus on your strengths and achievements, reinforcing the belief that you are capable of overcoming any obstacle in your path. Consistency is crucial in applying the law of assumption. It's not enough to visualize or affirm your desires sporadically, you must commit to these practices daily. This regular reinforcement helps solidify your new beliefs and keeps your energy aligned with your goals. Create a routine that includes visualization, affirmations, and positive self-talk. By dedicating time each day to these practices, you build a strong foundation for your manifestations. Consistency cultivates a mindset that attracts success and abundance. Over time, your dedication will pay off. As you remain committed to your new assumptions, you'll notice positive changes in your life. The more consistent you are, the more you'll reinforce your beliefs, making your desired outcomes inevitable. The energy around you greatly influences your mindset. Surrounding yourself with positive people, content, and environments fosters a supportive atmosphere for your growth. Seek out relationships that uplift you and encourage your journey toward success. Engaging with positive content, whether it's books, podcasts, or videos, can also inspire and motivate you. Fill your mind with stories of triumph and success, allowing them to reinforce your beliefs and assumptions. This exposure helps create a mindset that expects great things. Creating a positive environment extends to your physical space. Surround yourself with items that inspire you, like vision boards or motivational quotes. A nurturing environment amplifies your energy and keeps you focused on your goals. Action is an essential component of manifesting your desires. While thoughts and beliefs are powerful, they must be coupled with tangible steps toward your goals. Taking inspired action reflects your faith in your assumptions and opens the door to opportunities. Start small and gradually build momentum. Identify simple steps that align with your assumptions, and take them consistently. Each action reinforces your belief in your ability to achieve your goals and helps you navigate toward success. The journey is just as important as the destination. Accept each step you take as progress, no matter how small. Celebrate your achievements along the way, and trust that your actions will lead you to your desired outcomes. Understanding and applying the law of assumption can profoundly impact your life. By shifting your mindset and aligning your beliefs with your goals, you set the stage for success. Accept this life-changing power, and watch as your reality begins to shift. If you found this video insightful, consider liking and subscribing for more content that empowers your journey.